Hi guys, so we just unboxed new orders from Patpat. We have a couple of party dress or pageant dress. You can use them for pageant or just party dress. We actually have actually have three of them, and you saw them. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already saw this. Can you hold it up, baby? So this dress, the blue one that Lexi, she already wore this one time for her pageant. So these are our order from patpat.com. So we order a lot from Patpat. We have some cute dress and outfits, swimsuits, and everything. We have everything. So yeah, this one she already wore for her pageant one time last year. Can you close it back up, baby? Hold it for me. Hold it for mommy. Okay. Okay, so I really like this dress, so I end up ordering three of this same style dress but different color. So this is the first one, the blue one. So now we gotta show you the other two more of the dress, because this one is she already wore it one time, and we have a gray one of that. Can you get the gray one, baby? This is the gray. It's the gray one, and we have an orange one. Let me see the gray one for a second. Here, hold it up for me. Okay, so we have the gray and the orange, light orange, almost like pink, but it's actually light orange. So online they actually put this is as pink, but it's actually a light orange. It's not a pink. You got it? So we got, guys, a gray one and an orange one. Looks so pretty. You like it? You like it, Lexi? So these two we haven't wear them yet. The blue one she already wore one time. So do you want to try on which one do you want to try on first? Orange one. Okay, let's check it out. So we gotta do your fix the back. Alright, this is the orange dress, guys. Look at this, guys. How do you like it, guys? Look at Lexi, guys. It's so pretty. Look at the details. Of course, we have the princess shoes. So she wrote some of her on her legs. She wrote her name on her legs. And it's a purple print too. And look at this dress, guys. Look at the details. It's the embroider. So pretty. Look. And look at Lexi, the model. Okay.
Wow.
Show them the bow. And then the front, look. It's so pretty in the front, guys. Show them the front. Can we turn around, please? This good front, please. So this is the back, what it looks like. Hold on, can you stand up? Can you stand up? That's what the back looks like. Embroidered detail is so nice. And look at this. You can tie them however you want, but of course I do that. Turn around, baby. I can't see the back. So that's what I did for the back. Looks so nice. And the detail. Yeah. It's very nice, guys. So check it out at patpat.com. So we just have the same color actually. I mean the same style but different color. Like I said, I ordered different color of them. The same style.
Look at that.
Wow, nice.
Look at my finger.
Okay, so do you want to try the gray one?
Yeah.
Can you turn around slowly for mommy so we can see? Okay. Can we please turn around so we can see the back? Slowly. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. That's it, guys. We want to try the gray one. gotta put some cream on your arms, baby. You got a little bit. Alright, you wanna try the gray one? Alright, let's check it out. This is really the same style, just different color. So you want the gray one more time? You wanna try this one? So this is what it looks like, guys. You just gotta zip it up. And that's what it looks like when it's zipped up. Then we still gotta fix the red one, the bow. So that's done. Show the front, baby. Yeah, they're pretty. They're the same style. So look at the gray one. Same details. They have the embroidery on top. The top part. Can we show the front, baby, please? Can you move your toy? That's what it looks like in the front. The details embroidery. Show them, excuse me. There's the embroidery. In the bottom, look at this. Very nice detail.
No.
Princess.
No.
Another layer.
No.
That's the detail. There's 2 layers of this. Another layer. And last layer. There's actually 2 more layers inside. So there's a lot of layers. So that's it. You can turn around a little bit, baby. And that's it. Turn around for a second. We turn around a little bit. There you go. Can we show the front, please? Like that. So it looks like that. Just like the other one. Just different color. Alright. Let's try that with a matching headband. Or head wrap. So look at that, guys, with the matching head wrap. Little headband. Looks good. Looks pretty. So that's what it looks like, guys. And this is what it looks like. Look up, baby, so we can see your
I
headband.
want the piece.
Okay, look at this. So that's what it looks like, guys, with a headband, matching headband. You can put it on the side too if you want to. Alright. You want to try the blue? You're good. We already wear the blue for your pageant, remember? Do you still want to try it on? Okay, let me try the blue one, guys. Okay, then we gotta fix the red one. The back. So this is the blue one, guys. Let's go back a little. So
Can you get my crown, mommy?
the crown, we'll get the crown for a second. Let me show them the dress first. Can you scoot back a second? Yeah, we can show them your crown from your pageant, from your walk pose. So this is the blue one, guys. Okay, with the orange and gray, but just a blue
My
one.
crown, mommy.
Okay, the same style. They have the embroidered detail and the bow in the front, and this 2 layer of this thin, and then the silky layer, and then 2 more layer after that, which is really good. Alright, gonna turn around a little bit so we can show the back.
Give me my crown.
I will get the crown. Turn around for a second. Stand up because we can't see. There you go. Alright, guys, we're gonna show you Lexi's crown, one of her crown, because she wanted to show it. Alright, ready? Ta-da! One of her crown. Watch out. One of Lexi's crown for being We Miss Colombia. That's the We Miss Colombia crown. Do you want? We can show the rest of the crown later. She have also from
I need to.
People's Choice Award, but we're gonna do that another time because this is only for the unboxing of the dress. But since she wanted to wear her crown, so we're gonna show you one of her crown. That's it. That's it, baby. Okay, I'm just gonna say bye bye. You can put it on for a second so we can show them your crown.